Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter. I'm here to show you one of my favorite trailers around the 26-foot range. It's a Heartland Sundance 262RB. This one here is actually a 2019 model from the future. So I'm going to show you a few things on here. On the outside first, and then we'll go inside. So on the outside, first off, you got a nice big pass-through. They have the nice magnetic catches on it. It's all set up in here. You can see your real wood floors, your aluminum frame, so this is very, very light for the size. You have a huge power awning that goes almost the entire length of the trailer, so it's 22 feet at least. One of the things I like with the Sundances is they have a little bit more open doorway than most trailers do by at least 2 inches. 4 inches bigger than a lot of stuff, but at least 2 inches more than anybody else. This thing weighs here about 5,500 pounds dry, so that's very, very light. This is a little different. Most of these trailers all look kind of the same, and the bathrooms are all the same, but you have a nice big shower in here. You have some counter space around your sink. It's a self-cleaning shower door on these, which is kind of slick too. This is another thing. There's usually not much pantry, closet, storage in general space in most trailers. So you got a nice big setup there, shelves, pantry, broom closet, everything, and there's an LED light inside there as well.
It's pretty deep.
So now, you have your couch here. You got cup holders that light up with LED lights inside of them and USB ports so you can charge your phone while you're sitting at the couch off your 12-volt batteries. You got a spot for a TV. This one doesn't have it. Some people don't want one. If you want one, I've got 100 of them in a box. We put a mount up there for you. DVD, Bluetooth, your entire control panel with your slide controls, your power awning. A very arched roof inside here. It makes it feel a lot taller in the center, which it is, but it makes the whole trailer seem like bigger than it actually is. So you have a nice dinette as well. Good enough to sit 2 adults on each side. Usually you get an adult and a toddler if you're lucky. There's storage underneath there with LED lights that kind of emit from under there, so you got a little bit of light in your hallway when you're walking to the bathroom. And then you got your kitchen in a nice spot here where it's out of the way. They're able to give you good counter space, glass range cover for a little extra space, and then a nice big stainless steel sink instead of 2 small plastic sinks. You also got a nice extendable sprayer in here. AC is ducted all the way through everything. Another separate door, so you got a big door that separates the bathroom off and another big door in here. Now you got a walk around queen bed, and this isn't an RV queen, this is a real queen. Most of your stuff, even though most of the stuff I carry, most trailers in general have a little bit shorter of a mattress in here. 2 tall closets, LED reading lamps with USB ports above the bed, and then you got this little station back in the corner here with a little wardrobe. So it's got dressers, it's got another little closet, some shelves, and a spot to hook up a TV with all your connections and everything in there. Follow me real quick, I'll show you a couple more things on the outside. Now around the back, you got a spot here for your sewer hose. You got a spot here for your full-size spare tire. You can see up there it's got the backup camera prep. You can pop a camera in there. All the wiring's already ran through it. You don't have to drill any additional holes if you ever want to put a camera in down the line. Cable satellite connections. You got your water connection real easy to get to, and then you have your black tank flush. So if you ever need to flush out your tank, it's real easy to do. Spray port on the back side with a quick connect propane. Up in the front, you've seen it in the pass-through, is a garden hose with like a sprayer. So you actually get a little bit of pressure instead of just a trickle out outdoor shower. Nice big awning on the outside. Then you got your dump station, easy to get to. Your other side, your pass-through, and then your solar prep. So you can actually plug a solar panel right into the side here, position it out in the sun, have it catch some sun and trickle charge your batteries. You have a 3/4 end cap up in the front too. With all your bulbs are up actually in the end cap and not into the fiberglass front smooth side where if moisture gets into it, starts to kind of delaminate. These also have galvanized steel wheel wells. If you ever had a blowout one of these things, you've seen the kind of damage they can do. It would do much, much less than something like this. There's a whole bunch of other stuff on here I'd like to show you. This is a really cool unit, especially for the size and for the weight and price point. You're right around the same as almost everything else. So give me a call, I'll show you some more stuff on it. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan.DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you soon.